So, Sir Ronald Bragandal, yes. Did you first meet the Mamita or Pilita Corrales through your mom, Rita Gomez?
Yes.
What,
Our families were good friends. We were good friends.
what was your first impression of her or earliest memory of meeting her?
Tita Pilita she was a very talented woman, of course, and she had a great sense of humor. Very, very funny. Very funny. Loved to laugh. And because I played guitar, pagka nag-guest ako sa mga TV shows like yung JQ, yung Joe Quirino, and other TV shows na pareho kami nag-guest, she would always get excited. Kasi gusto niya gusto niya yung guitar playing. She liked that.
Wow. Didn't know that. Yeah.
She did.
Yeah. So, when was the last time you personally saw her or had any form of communication?
That's a long time ago, Trixie.
Decade?
Very, very long time ago. I can't recall. Ang pinaka vivid recollection ko lang is I think I was 17 or 18 years old.
Wow.
My mom and I, si Tita Pilita, si Jackie, si Tito Pai, we went to the beach, dala-dala ko yung gitara ko, and all of us, we sang while we hung out sa beach. Yeah.
Do you have any favorite song of hers?
Dami, yung A Million Thanks to You,
Yes.
of course. Tapos, it isn't easy for the heart to feel when eyes are filled with tears. Anong title nun?
Cut na din eh.
Anyway,
Ang dami kasi niyang
Renz
songs.
knows the
Yes,
title
yes,
of that
yes.
song, yeah. He sent the title to me, I recall.
So, sir, last question na lang. What can you say was the legacy of Miss Pilita Corrales to you and to the Filipino nation?
Well, she was, like I said, she was a very, very talented lady. Okay? She had cosmopolitan tastes. She had a street in Australia named after her. You know that, right? She elevated the stature of the Filipino artist in the international community. I think that's her most lasting legacy.
Thank you, sir.